In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Notion if you're working in Notion and everything on your screen feels a little too small. The quickest way to make it easier to read is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is especially helpful if you're viewing a long document, organizing a dashboard, or just want the text and interface to appear larger without changing your content. On Windows, the shortcut for zooming in inside Notion is Control and the plus key. To do that, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then tap the plus key. As soon as you do, Notion will zoom in and the interface will appear larger on your screen. If you want to zoom in even more, you can repeat the same shortcut again. Each time you press Ctrl and plus, the zoom level increases a little more. This lets you adjust the view gradually until it feels comfortable for you. It's a fast and convenient way to improve visibility, especially if you're reading small text or presenting something on screen. One thing to keep in mind is that the plus key may be located in a slightly different place depending on your keyboard. On some keyboards, you may need to hold Shift to type the plus symbol, while on others it may be easier to use the key on the numeric keypad if your keyboard has one. If the shortcut doesn't work the first time, just make sure you're pressing Control together with the correct plus key. This zoom shortcut changes how Notion appears on your device, making the workspace larger and easier to see, but it doesn't change the actual size of your content for other people. So if you're collaborating with others, this only affects your own view. If you accidentally zoom in too much, you can always adjust it back later using the corresponding zoom controls. But for this method, the main action you need is simply Control and plus on Windows. So again, if you want to zoom in within Notion on a Windows computer, press and hold Control, then press the plus key. Repeat it as needed until the page looks just right, and that's it. That's how to zoom in Notion using a keyboard shortcut on Windows.